નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 3. The name of the chapter is nationalism in India. What is the name of the chapter, dear children? The name of the chapter is nationalism in India. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about the Indian National Congress from 1885 to 1905 in the initial stage. And in the initial stage, what happened there? The Indian National Congress demanding from the British government for the political rights, economic as well as the social growth and the development of the education. After dear children, we have to learn about the policy of the divide and rule. And this divide and rule policy was started by the Governor General Lord Curzon. After dear children, we have to learn about the partition of the Bengal in 1905. What the Lord Curzon passed one law for regarding with the partition of Bengal in 1905, and the main aim of the Lord Curzon for the partition of the Bengal to promote the communal difference between Hindu and Muslim by this action. Now dear children, today we have to learn about the Bang Bang movement. It means the movements against the partition of the Bengal. Now dear children, you know very well that the partition of Bengal is done in 1905 by the Governor General Lord Curzon. Now what happened there? Bang Bang movements against the partition of the Bengal. So dear children, you open the page number 80 from your textbook. Now people oppose this effort to break the unity and integrity of the Bengal by rally, demonstration and by distributing the pamphlets. Now what happened there, dear children? Here the Bang Bang movement, it is Bang Bang Andolan. Here the maximum people are opposed with the effort for breakdown of the unity and integrity of the Bengal, of the Hindu as well as the Muslim. So people are against for this decision for the partition of the Bengal, and that's why the people are starting their rallies, demonstration and by distributing the pamphlets. Vande Mataram. Now dear children, underline in your textbook that Vande Mataram song from the novel Anand Math written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay become the popular slogan during this protest. What happened there, dear children? Here the Vande Mataram song. Which song, dear children? Vande Mataram song from the novel. Which novel? From the Anand Math. This song was to be the taken and written by this Anand Math novel was written by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay become the popular slogan during the protest. Which slogan? Vande Mataram. The nation was swept by the strong waves of the nationalism. Now what happened in whole nation? What happened there? Yes, the strong waves are spreading for the nationalism among the people. People in the Bengal observe the day of the implementation of the partition as the mourning day. Now what happened there? In 1905, when Lord Curzon participated the Bengal, in that day the people of the Bengal observed the day of the implementation of parting as a mourning day. Mourning day, it means Shok Din. Which din the people are celebrated this day as a Shok Din? It means we can say that we are not celebrated this day, but the people observe this day as a Shok Din. People went on the strike all over the region as per the suggestion of the Rabindranath Tagore. What happened there? As per the suggestion of the Rabindranath Tagore, that day was also celebrated as the day of the unity. Now what happened there, dear children? Here, as per the suggestion of the Rabindranath Tagore, this day was celebrated as a day of the unity. Day of the unity, it means Ekta Dina. So dear children, we can say that as per the suggestion of the Rabindranath Tagore, now the people are celebrated as the day This day was celebrated as the Day of Unity instead of the mourning day. Mourning day, it means instead of the short day. Now people are celebrated this day as a day of the unity. Now next one, dear children, we have to given about the Swadeshi movement. Which one, dear children? Swadeshi movement. It was decided to intensify the movements against the partition of the Bengal. Now what happened there, dear children? We know very well that maximum people all are unsatisfied when the decision was taken for the partition of the Bengal. So now they are decided to incentivize these movements against the partition of the Bengal, and because of that, the Bang movement and expand its variation. The main three characteristics of the movement were. Now what happened then? That's why the people are also starting the Swadeshi movement. In this Swadeshi movement, main three characteristics of this movements are there. Which the main three characteristics of movement were there. First is to trade and use the Indian Swadeshi goods only. What first one? First one is there to trade and use the Indian Swadeshi goods also. To trade and use the Indian goods only. It means Swadeshi malno vyapar karo. Second one, dear children, to boycott imported goods. Second one, dear children, is to boycott the imported goods. It means Videshi malno bahiskar karo. And third one, dear children, to acquire the national education and boycott the English education. What was the third one, dear children? The third one of this movement point is to acquire the national education and boycott the English education. It means રાષ્ટ્રીય શિક્ષણ લેવું અને વિદેશી શિક્ષણનો બહિષ્કાર કરવો. These are the main three characteristics of this Swadeshi movement. To achieve this goal, now what happened that, dear children? To achieve this goal, a committee was formed under the leadership of the renowned the member of the Indian National Congress. Now what happened that, dear children? Here now they are preparing one committee, and this committee are under the leadership of the renowned member of the Indian National Congress, and this leader are Surendranath Banerjee, Bipin Chandra Pal, Arvind Ghosh, etc. They urged the Indian to boycott the foreign goods, clothes, and use the Swadeshi goods. Now what happened there? This leader suggest the people that you are boycott it means bahiskar karna, boycott the foreign goods and use the Swadeshi goods. Through these articles in newspaper, procession, public meeting, and folk song, the people were made to understand the importance of using of the Swadeshi goods. Now what happened then? Now people are realizing, people are now understand about the use of the Swadeshi goods and the boycott of the foreign goods. Factory were started to produce the Swadeshi goods. Now what happened then, dear children? Now the factory were started to produce the Swadeshi goods. The import of the goods. Now what happened then? The import of the goods like textile, salt, shoes, sugar, cigarette, tobacco, etc. from the England now decreasing the drastically. Why these things are to be the imported? Demand was decreasing the drastically because now people are using the Swadeshi goods and boycott the foreign goods. And drastically the sale of the Indian commodity and textile are increasing. And because of this Swadeshi movement, what happened there? Here now the sale of the Indian commodities and the textile was increasing. The Swadeshi movement spread in the other parts of India too. And the Swadeshi movement also spread outside of the Bengal also. Now next one, dear children, they have to given about the national education. Which one? National education. National education, it means Rashtriya Shikshan. The third features associated with Swadeshi or the boycott movement was the national education. Now which is the third feature which are associated with this movement, and the third feature are associated with this Swadeshi or boycott movement was the national education. It means Rashtriya Shiksha. Students took an active part in the Bang What happened that dear children in Bang Bang movement? Students are also taking part as a result. Many punitive actions such as leaving the fine or expelling the student from the school, colleges were taken by the government. Now what happened then? In this Bang Bang movement, many students are taking the actively participate in this Bang Bang movement. So what happened then against the student? Now, what happened then? Against the students, school and colleges are taken the action by the government. So this is called for the optional arrangement of the national school and colleges for the student. And because of that, what happened there? Here this called for the optional arrangement of the national school and colleges for the students. In 1907, in which year, dear children, remember and underline it. In 1907, 25 National Secondary School and 300 National Primary School became the functional in the Bengal. If you have to see the Bengal, then what happened then? In 1907, 25 National Secondary School and 300 National Primary School become the functional in the Bengal state. Rabindranath Tagore started Vishwa Bharati School in Santiniketan in 1901. Underline it. What happened then, dear children? They have to given there. Rabindranath Tagore started Vishwa Bharati School in Santiniketan in 1901. Now the British government failed to subsidizing the Bang Bang movement. Now what happened then here? Now the British government was totally failed to stop this Bang Bang and Swadeshi as well as the national education movement. So finally the British government had to cancel the partition of the Bengal in the year 1911. So what happened then, dear children? Here the underlining, dear children, in your textbook that British government has cancelled the partition of the Bengal in the year 1911. So what happened then, dear children? Here partition of the Bengal was done in 1905 by the Lord Curzon, Governor General Lord Curzon. But after the Bang Bang movement, Swadeshi movement and national education movement, now British government has to cancel the partition of the Bengal in the year 1911, and it was a historical and memorable victory of the people of the Bengal. So dear children, we can say that it was a one kind of the historical and memorable victory of the people of the Bengal, and that was achieved through the peacefully and the non-violent movement. And this kind of the victory was achieved by the Bengali people through the peaceful and the non-violence means. Thank you, dear children.
Thank you for joining us.